Got our sister Malia Sanders, the director of NAHA. We're getting ready to kick off this wonderful Hoʻokipa Weekend. Of course, we talked about stargazing. Hi'ilani Shibata was here yesterday. So tell us about the storytelling. Who's going to be storytelling this weekend?
Lopaka Kapanui is going to be on the center stage.
Center stage?
2 days, both days, storytelling.
Wow. And what kind of things are you going to be talking about?
I've asked him to talk about some of the cultural things as well, but I think he may probably tell some scary stories.
Ooh, and especially in that area, right? It is quite secret. A lot of our ali'iwas, walks over there. Another thing that I saw, you guys are having the Palaka Lounge.
The Poi and Palaka Lounge.
The Poi Palaka Lounge. I saw this elaborate menu that you guys have. Tell us about this Poi and Palaka Lounge.
So it really is a homage to our 25th anniversary gala that we threw a couple years back in 2022, and everyone keeps asking, when are we going to do it again? And so I was like, I'm just going to bring back the lounge. So just the lounge will be brought back. We're going to be featuring some of our local tequila as well as some specialty drinks. And then of course we'll have regular things like soda and mocktails.
You saw how it light up when you said cocktails, right?
Cocktails and mocktails.
So exciting. And what are some of the stuff on the menu like to eat?
Well, we're finalizing that today, but we're going to be putting that on our website this afternoon.
And what is the website?
www.nahha.com.
Oh, and it's so wonderful to see our people, our lahui, all our culture practitioners all gather for this wonderful event happening at the Royal Hawaiian this weekend. Tell us who are some of you folks' hotel partners.
So we have partnerships with the Outrigger Hotels in Waikīkī. There are 4 properties. And also Alohilani is another property that has been helping us with booking Kama'aina staycation packages. Ooh. And then the Hyatt Regency Waikīkī is our 3rd partner.
All the heavy hitters, yeah?
Yeah.
And I know there's going to be lots of free events throughout the weekend as well.
Free events. We got Hawaiian language lessons on stage. We got workshopping with some of our cultural practitioners. Just all kinds of cultural activities, make and take things that you can do with your family. So we're super excited about it.
Yeah, I'm so excited. Davey and I are already getting ready for Sunday. And so for more information on all this wonderful event happening at the Royal Hawaiian Center, where can people go to?
They can visit our website at www.nahha.com.
And you guys are also on Facebook and Instagram.
Facebook and Instagram at NAHA808.
Oh, it's going to be exciting. And Davey and I will be there in our hula skirts to hula flirt with you. Mahalo Malia, and she's going to be joining us once again tomorrow on Out in Life Live. Right now,